Hello my creative people, I welcome you back in this mind-blowing video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys the 3 secret ways to blend images using a PixelLab app. Alright, so there are 3 main ways in which you can blend your image to the background so it will fit the background. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you that 3 ways, and it's professional 3 ways. Alright, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get how you can do this. It's very simple. Alright, if this is your first time watching my video or see my video, I welcome you in my channel where I drop video on graphic design. In this channel you will learn a lot about graphic design. If this is your first time watching my video, I welcome you, and I will urge you, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button now and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you get notification anytime we drop video. And make sure you check out our videos on this channel for more tutorials. Alright, so like I said before, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blend 3 ways you can blend your image using a PixelLab app. Alright, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Just do it right now. Alright, thank you for doing that. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do, let me delete this so that we can start. Alright, the first thing I want us to do is to get your background, the background you want to use. So here's for your background. For those who are new to PixelLab, if you click there, then we're going to use a background from our gallery. So how do we do that? Alright, you click from gallery. Alright, so then you select the background you want to use, and here's the background, but I would like to crop to get something like this. Alright, it's okay like this. I would like something like this. Then after cropping, it's not a must you crop, but I just want to crop mine. You just click there. Alright, so here's our background. Then the next thing we are going to do is to import the image we want to use. Alright, so if you want to get your image, there's 2 ways you can do that. You can click on this import, or you click on this plus sign, but most times I make use of this plus sign. If you watch some of my videos, that's what I make use of. So you click, then you have to click from gallery. This is just for those who are new to PixelLab. So then you now select the image you want to use, and you have to make sure you have removed the background of the image. Alright, okay, so here's the image I would like to use for this design. Alright, okay, so let me keep it like this. Alright, so now it's now to blend, so let's keep the picture in this way. Alright, so I want to make use of this picture. Alright, so let's keep it like this and then lock it by clicking on this place. Then you have to click on this key icon. Once it shines red, then it has been locked. Alright, so now the first step we are going to use, or the first step to blend your image professionally is this. So listen attentively and watch what I do. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is go to shapes. Alright, then don't leave this interface, just scroll up till you will see color, this place. Alright, so I would like you to click on gradient. Then when you click on it, if you go to your gradient, you're going to see this on your PixelLab. Alright, it's a default one, so you're going to see something like this. Alright, so we are going to make use of this one. You click on it, you can see how the thing has changed now. Then we are going to do this now. You click on this plus sign. Then I want us to apply a color to this place. So this is the lighter side. Alright, so if you want to apply color, then you click on this. Once it shines something like yellow like this, then you can now select the color by just clicking on this place. I hope you understand what I mean. Alright, so the first step you have to take is to click on this and then click on this so you select the color. So when you click on the color icon, then the next thing I would like you to do is to drag this one here to this place. That's the opacity of the color. So I would like you to drag it to the edge like this so that it will be transparent. Alright, so after doing that, then click OK. Don't select any other color, just leave it the way it is like this. Then click OK. Then click OK again. So after doing this now, the next thing is to click on this check mark. Alright, then you are going to rotate this using this place. Rotate it like this. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. Then you can now resize to something like this, depending on the height and the width you want to apply your blending. Alright, okay, so I would like my own to be like this. So then if you check, alright, so don't worry, let me just keep it like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is to apply color to this. Alright, so you click on color. Now listen, if you want to do this thing, assuming your background is something green, if you come to this color and you enable the button, just go ahead and choose what? Green. Alright, you have to choose green. So you have to choose color that is related to your background, or that is at the part of your background. Alright, so now this color is not suiting the background. Alright, so now how do we select a color? And I will advise you select a color from your background. Now how do we do that? Just follow this simple step. Click on this, then you are going to click on this picker here. Alright, you click on it, then you can now move this for you to select the color you want, and this is your background. Alright, so here is the place we want to blend. So we are going to select a color like this. I think this should be a very dark red color. So after picking your color, then you click this place. Alright, then you click OK. If you notice, this is a dark red, not pure black. Alright, so we have gotten it. So you keep it like this. Then the next thing you're going to do now is just to copy this shape and position them the way you want it to be. Just follow me along. Just be copying. When you copy, you drop. When you copy, you drop. Alright, so you achieve what you want. Alright, you can see it now. We have gotten a smooth blending. Alright, you can go ahead and come here and lock them if you want. Alright, let me zoom so you see it very smooth. Alright, so this is how you can this is the first step. Alright, so let's go to the second step now. Let me go to this place so that I will remove these ones that I have applied. Alright, so we come back to our normal picture and background that we have before. This is the second step now. Alright, so the second step you're going to do, just come to shapes again. Alright, then increase this radius to the maximum, this opacity reduce it to the lowest, that's 0%, then this stroke width increase it to the maximum. So then this is okay. Then you have to resize this using this place. Don't move out of this interface, just stay here and do all this. You have to move this so it will be very small, so that there will be no something like center, so that the black something like this, just reduce it to something like this so that all the parts will be black. Then after doing that, the next thing to do is just click here. Right, I think we didn't got this correctly. Let's delete this, or let's just go back to edit. Alright, I forgot to apply something to this, so this blur radius, increase it to the maximum. Alright, okay, I think it's okay now. So then you can now resize to get what you want. Alright, so this is very simple. Then you can copy and place the way you want. Alright, you can see now we have gotten our blending very fast and easy to do. Alright, so let me now show you the last step. So let me remove these ones by coming here. I hope you have learned something in this tutorial. If you have learned something, just give this video a thumbs up and drop some comments in the comment section. Alright, and if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscription button right now. Alright, so let me show you the last step. Even though it's not that much effective, but it can still give you a good blending. Now what are we going to do? Follow me along. The first thing is to go to draw. Alright, so you click on draw, then scroll down, you'll see this blur radius, increase it to the maximum. After that, this smoothness, increase it to the maximum. This pencil size you can increase or reduce anyhow you want, but I want to keep it like this. And then you come to draw, that's the area you want to blend, which is this place. So you draw here like this, just drawing. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Just keep on drawing even though you're not noticing it, because the down part is black. Just keep drawing. Then after drawing, you can click on this check mark here. Alright, then you get this. Now you stretch this and stretch this part also, so you get a smooth blending. Then you now keep it like this. I hope you can see that. So this is just the simple 3 ways you can blend your image. Alright, so it will suit your background. So this one is black. Let us give it a color, which is that dark red. So here's the color. We have formed the color already, no need of trying to form it again. Just click on it. Alright, so you can see now you have blended our image successfully. So this the 3 basic ways, or the 3 secret ways you can blend your image. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and do it to check other videos in this channel. Thanks, and see you in the next video.